In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get cheap car insurance UK for new drivers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions and tips on how to get cheaper car insurance in the UK if you are a new driver. As a new driver, securing affordable car insurance can be a challenge, but there are several strategies that you can employ to reduce your premiums. So first, choose a low insurance group car. Smaller, less powerful cars typically fall into lower insurance groups. So by choosing those cars, you are going to get lower premiums. So models like a Ford Fiesta, Volkswagen Corsa, or Toyota Yaris. Next, opt for telematics policy. Black box insurance uses a device installed in your car to track your driving habits, and safe driving will lead to lower premiums over time. Companies like Admiral, Aviva, and Tesco Bank offers these sorts of telematics policies. And next, increase your access. A higher access means that you pay more out of pocket in case of a claim, but in return, you will often get lower premiums. Be cautious not to choose an excess that you cannot afford. So everything that you choose from the get-go must follow within your budget. And next, use websites like Money Supermarket and Confused to compare quotes. These are going to make the process very convenient. You just have to take the course here, the quiz, and you will be able to answer some questions regarding the card, the registration, and get this process done. So usually they are going to ask you for your registration and sign up information, and afterwards you will be able to compare all of the rates available. And like I said, you can choose from any of the insurance plans that they offer, including the option to get lower premiums by using devices such as a black box and other telematics policies. So all that you have to do is use these websites on your computer or your phone to compare quotes. I hope I was able to help you on how to get cheap car insurance UK for new drivers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.